Check this out.
Today, we're looking at something really cutting edge in AI video. It's about making multiple people talk and interact in a video, realistically, just based on their audio.
This new open source free AI can take any photo, any audio, and turn it into a super realistic video where your character actually talks, sings, or does anything you want, all in sync with the voice you give it. Let's start with some mind-blowing demos. Take a single image, upload a clip of someone speaking, and add a simple prompt. Immediately you'll get a video where that still photo comes to life, lips and face perfectly matching the audio, even expressing emotion like frustration or excitement based on the voice you use.
On the other hand, when someone gets angry, their voice tends to lower in pitch as well as getting somewhat louder, but not necessarily yelling, just project.
Want more? You can even create a scene where multiple people interact in the same video, each speaking in their own unique voice, reacting to each other naturally.
What will happen to our human need to labor?
So I think, if you're a CEO, you've got to ready your team.
It gets even better. Select a group image, upload 2 separate voice clips, for example, one person giving advice and the other person responding, and watch as MultiTalk generates a real conversation, lip sync, and expressions matched for both.
Always be a first-rate version of yourself and not a second-rate version of someone else.
A failure is a man who has blundered, but is not yet able to cash it.
Or drop in a duet. Use 2 singing voice clips and 2 faces, and MultiTalk gives you a realistic music video with both singers matching their lines and even showing a bit of performance flair.
But your presence fills the morning air. Oh, we dance around the edge of something.
It doesn't stop there. MultiTalk can animate completely new body movements using reference videos. For instance, take a snapshot of a woman, pair it with a short video of someone dancing, and add a voice track. The result is a new video where your character speaks, blinks, moves her head, and follows the exact dancing pose and gesture, even blending in a different language like Spanish, if that's what's in your audio.
A veces solo necesitas una voz clara y directa que transmita la información de manera sencilla y efectiva, sin rodeos ni complicaciones.
So what exactly is MultiTalk? It's a novel AI framework for audio-driven multi-person conversational video generation. You provide a multi-stream audio file, a reference image, and a simple text prompt that sets the action, mood, or location. The AI then generates a complete video, people talking, singing, delivering lines, lip movements always in sync, facial expressions and gestures matching tone, and head and body movement that looks natural, not robotic or stiff. One of the coolest things is how flexible MultiTalk is as a creative tool. You can animate a Pixar-style character having a conversation with an anime friend. Imagine taking a picture of 2 cartoon animals and making them debate, giggle, or burst into song in perfect animated sync. For anyone who's tried Google's Veo 3, MultiTalk is exciting because it's a completely free alternative. No sign-up fees, no recurring credit system, and crucially, you can run it entirely offline if you want. MultiTalk competes with and in some ways surpasses Veo 3 by delivering expressive, editable talking videos at high quality with more fine-grained user control and less waiting for cloud processing. Getting started is easy. If you want to use MultiTalk online, just go to their Hugging Face demo page linked in the video description. Upload your image or group photo, select your audio clip, add a prompt, and in a few moments you'll have a new talking video, all browser-based and free. If you need to generate videos in bulk, produce longer clips, or want even more control, MultiTalk can be installed locally from the official GitHub repository, also in the description, and run for unlimited times with easy support for low VRAM or basic hardware. Advanced features include support for art styles, Pixar, 3D, anime, and even animals. It's not limited to just realistic faces. It adapts to whatever style you provide. You decide if scenes are solo, duets, or even animated group podcasts. You can generate videos with custom choreography by using reference motion clips, repeat someone's favorite quote, or dub lectures, comedy skits, bedtime stories, or musical performances all with AI. MultiTalk brings an insane level of expression and flexibility, and it's a free open source offline alternative for anyone looking to create realistic, interactive talking videos. All official links, demo pages, and installation guides are in the description so you can try it yourself. If you think this tool is a breakthrough for creators or if you spot more potential use cases, let us know in the comments. For more real demos and honest reviews on the latest AI tools, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.